Alright, I'm going to do a little bit more work on the 1993 Yamaha Riva carburetors. This is the old carburetor. This is the new carburetor. So, I took this part here off of this carburetor, like so. That is the throttle cable restraint. And I'm going to put it on this one. Like this. Like this. So I twisted that so I can mount it there. Now I'm going to mount it to that screw. The problem is I gotta cut out some metal here. So I'm gonna grind it down and see if I can make it fit. I'll let you know what happens. Okay. It. Yeah, baby. All right. Okay, let's see. Try that. Oh, close. I don't know. I'm afraid to tighten it down. I'm breaking it. That actually worked. Nice. Not perfect. It'll work. I think that will work. Okay. Now I have to deal with this part of it. Okay, I took the intake manifold off the engine. This part everywhere is $60 to $70. This part is $20. So I need to make a vacuum port. And what I was going to do is drill a hole through here and put a tap on it. $60. $20. I'm now going to drill a hole here into the carburetor. Get my vacuum out of this part. So I need to marry these two together, and in the bike it goes about like so. Yeah, well, it didn't sit in there very well either. You don't have to open them much to take them off, but you can't open them all the way and put them back on. There ought to be a law. So that goes on like so. All right. So I think I'll drill a hole right there. Maybe over here. Maybe over here. Sorry. I tend to mumble to myself. I'll drill the hole right there. The big toy box. So think I'm going to use one of those. I think I have a winner. Let's try to get fancy and use a port, a jet. Yeah, I like that diameter. Okay, check this out. I went and found a couple of O-rings. Stuck them on here. Seems to have a groove already made for it. Slide this on there. Good fit. Nice. Very happy with that. Alright, problem number 2 is this thing. Had a vacuum hose on it. But check it out. What the heck? There's no hole. It was blocked up. Doesn't do a damn thing. So let's see what's under here. I don't know. Now, to be fair, this one here, the original one, has this thing right there. Can you see that okay? Yeah, good enough. Right here. And it looks just like that thing without the cover on it. It doesn't do a damn thing. Maybe that's why this one doesn't run. Okay, but I've seen pictures of the same carburetor online on a motorcycle, and that thing is missing. So strange. Let's take a look. Okay. Got the spring, rubber. Nope, can't blow through it. See that? All right. Nothing. There are no open holes inside there. Ha! Look at that crap. Anyways, looks purty. I think I'll leave it on there. Let it confuse the next guy. All right. So I still need vacuum for the petcock on the tank. So I'm going to drill a hole here. So let's do that. I'll set you up. Okay. So here we go. We'll just take this off. Go right there. Yeah, you know what? I should use a center punch. Be right back. Dang it. You think you plan everything and you know right what you're going to do. No, doesn't work that way. No. Alright, let's go along the center punch. Just hold your breath. Ready? New drill. Anywhere in there will be fine. Pick a spot. Yay! Wasn't that fun? Did you all enjoy that? Alright. 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 Think about that. Come on, baby. Too small. Dang rabbit. Cool. I think we have a vacuum tap. Nice. What do you think? Yeah, that sucker's in there too. You might cut it off, it's a little too short, too tall. It'll probably snap off. We're being in the way, so let's get sniffies out here. Yeah, baby. vacuum hose. Well, that's on there and it'll never come off again. Cool. Vacuum. Adapter. Mystery. Throttle cable. Jam it in there, see what happens. Alright, I have it stuck up in there. Seems to be doing okay. Fuel line running here, and to be honest with you, I already started it. So the new vacuum line here is hooked up right here, and the fuel started pumping right away. So I'm quite happy with it. Let's see what happens here. Turn the key on. Squeeze the handle. Alright. Oh no. Alright, so I think I gotta deal with the choke. That's the next thing on the list. I need to make this white wire connect to this red wire. So, Mr. Wire Cutters and I have a date. There it is. Okay, done with that one. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, let's see what happens. We're gonna go over here. No, don't do it, Mr. Bill. No disassemble. Yeah. Alright. Cut it off. The old carburetor. So, I'm going to solder that up and bring you back when I'm done. Okay, so I reassembled the air intake right here, this whole assembly here. And I have the new vacuum tap gluing with JB Weld. It's still wet. I have this whole thing mocked up where I think I want everything to go. I moved the fuel line here so it's away from the engine. Everything looks correct. Got the choke wired up. So that turned out real good. But one thing I forgot to tell you guys is, or show you, I ran the throttle linkage here. We showed you that in the earlier video. So that comes up right here, runs down. I drilled a hole through this cowling. This is there's a fan that runs inside here. This is a little service port, and I was able to, I said, hey, there's nothing in there. So I ran my throttle cable right through it, and it made it long enough to reach. Although I might drill it down a little bit so I don't have this kink here. It's not bad, but it's just odd. So that's my throttle cable. So now, go up here, work this throttle. It does full motion. It's wide open. So that works good. I'm happy with that. This hose used to hook up to the old carburetor. It runs over to this box here, which then runs up as a return line right here. So none of that worked. I don't give a damn. The bike runs. Good. Let's give her a fire up. What do you say? Turn, squeeze, push. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Took it out for took it for a ride. Got it up to 55 miles an hour. Wee doggy. It's pretty good. So cool. That's where we're at with it. Now I have to let that glue dry. It's been about an hour. And so I don't think I heard anything. Gotta let the glue dry, taking all apart. And the intake side right here where that clamp is had the same problem as this side. It's too big, loose. So I'm going to put a couple of O-rings on there, seal that up. So, but right now, I like it. Give it a bath. Then I'm going to work on getting rid of this ugly paint. Get rid of the old skull and crossbones. See if I can't clean this thing up. That's it for now. Till the next time I work on it, I'll probably be scraping paint or something. Thank you. Subscribe. Talk to you. Bye-bye. Alright. For some reason, my phone stopped recording. So anyways, I took some heat. And this is all peeling off. So I need to spend a day with a heat gun and just peeling off all this black paint. The bike was originally white. Tell by the taillight. So I think I'm going to go back to being red. Mostly because I have red Honda paint. I may as well use it. New mirrors. These things are hideous and are held together with JB weld, whatever that is. So clean it up, paint it up, fix that ugly seat. Lordy. And sell it next spring maybe. I'm going to play with it for the summer here. So no hurry. I like the scooter, jumps on it, you go. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. Cool beans.